Hi guys, make sure you save this video. It's a really important video in which I've explained my timetable. And I'm pretty sure if you follow it, you can also get a very high score like 65 each or 79 each in PT, whichever you're desiring. For some people, it's really hard to even get 65 each. For some people, it's not. So I hope you find this video helpful and save it and share it with as many people as you can. Let's start. Speaking, writing, reading, listening. There are 4 modules in PT. I've listed down some of the most important modules and how we should approach them. Speaking. Read aloud is the backbone of the reading score. A lot of people get 90 out of 90 in speaking, but they don't do read aloud correctly because of it their reading scores are a bit low. So you should never be overconfident. Should practice at least 10 questions per day. Number 2, repeat sentence. One of the most difficult tasks for almost 70 to 80% of the test takers. Repeat sentence. Should do at least 50 to 60 sentences. It might sound like a lot, but it's not. If you do bulk practice means do it 10 minutes non-stop without checking the answers. In 10 minutes, you can easily cover 20 to 30 questions. So do it 2 to 3 times a day, bulk practice. You might think where to practice from our portal. It's called MockMaster.ai, totally free. Task number 3 and task number 4, describe image, retell lecture. Describe image, very important for speaking. You get about 30% of your speaking score directly from describe image. And retell lecture, you get 6 to 8 points in listening from retell lecture. So please do 3 questions per day for each of these tasks. Next is writing. Task number 1 in writing is summarize written text. Should do at least 2 or 3 questions per day. Put a timer of 7 minutes maximum, so that in the remaining 3 minutes, you can check your answer for mistakes. Remember, it needs to be a single sentence of maximum 75 words with only one full stop at the end. Task number 2 in writing, write essay. Very important task. Should do at least 2 to 4 questions per day. You must read the sample answers given on MockMaster.ai. There is an 80 to 90% chance that you might get an essay from our prediction file on MockMaster.ai. So search the topic in the individual question type of write essay by just typing some words from the topic. Click the answer button, read the sample answers. You will benefit for sure. Next is reading. Reading is one of the most difficult modules for more than 50% test takers. 15 questions of reading blanks, 15 questions of reading, writing blanks you must solve or at least read with the answers. Sometimes even reading the passage and understanding it with the answers can help you improve. It has helped a lot of my students as well. 5 questions per day, reorder paragraphs. Not a very high weight task, it's a medium weight task, honestly. 5 questions per day is enough. Next is listening. If you're good at listening, automatically your writing score will improve because writing you get about 40 to 45 points directly from listening. The first task of summarize spoken text, very important. You must learn how to understand the content. Understand the phrases, understand the keywords. Just taking notes without understanding, useless, waste of time. You need to understand what the topic is about. At least 3 to 4 questions per day. Next is listening, fill in the blanks. One of the main areas in listening where a lot of people struggle is spelling. Do at least 5 questions per day, minimum. Another task, very simple, but equally important for the reading score is highlight incorrect words. You get marks integrated in reading from highlight incorrect words. 5 questions per day. Last but not the least, the most important task in PT, write from dictation. You must do at least 30 to 40 questions per day. And when should you do? When you're really tired, before you sleep, probably at night. Because even in the real exam, write from dictation is the last task. So that way you are simulating your brain in a similar way as per the real test, So that's the ideal way to practice. Follow this timetable every alternate day. On the other alternate days, take one full mock test. Our mock test packages start as low as $20 per month. There are 500 AI scored mock tests. If you don't have time to join our classes, this is what you should do. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.